you here for the
Yeah,
house?
yeah, you know the house which you have to look at.
Do you have credit?
That. What? You have to look credit. What credit? Would you look at that? Let's get in the car. Would you look at that?
Whoa, come here, sir. Do you have credit?
What credit?
Just get in the car.
Well, look at that. This is a nice car. I wish I had a car like that. Look at that. Hey, look at that.
So, this house I'm about to show you, Dylan? Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, dude. Would you look at that dumpster?
Anyways,
Oh my God, that is a nice dumpster.
Anyways,
Would you look at that?
I'm gonna have to ask you to calm down.
Would you look at that? You're getting all grumpy with me.
I'm gonna show you a house I think you're really gonna like.
Would you look at that? You think I'm gonna love this house? I don't know now, man.
So, this house I'm about to show you is $250,000.
250,000. Hey, would you look at that?
And you have to
Look
have,
at it.
And you have to have.
Look at it.
And you have to have very good credit to have this house, by the way.
I heard about this house. You gotta look at it. You just gotta look at it.
Oh my God.
Look at this.
No.
And you gotta look at that. Would you look at that? You're going nuts. You're laughing your head off. I don't even.
I'm going nuts.
Look at that. Look at you. Look at you. Look at that.
I'm going nuts.
Yeah, you're laughing your head off like a crazy person. Look at that. Look at that.
Okay. So, what's your job? Where do you work?
I work a little bit every there and there.
Where do you work?
I work a little bit there and here.
Sir,
I'm a carpenter at trade.
can you show me a proof of income?
What's an income?
Why am I showing you this house?
Because I sent an email to you.
I
Like, would
never
you
got
look
an
at
email.
that?
I got a phone call from a strange guy. Is that you?
That was my cousin. Would you look at that? How are you?
Okay, shut up.
Hey, how are you?
Shut up. This is the house right here.
Wow.
You didn't put your seatbelt on.
Oh, Snowy, would you look at that? Look at that. I didn't put my... Oh, and now I'm taking
And
off
we
my
are
seatbelt.
here.
This is such a nice seat. Whoa, it's a big house. Would you look at that?
250,000.
Oh my God! And so, would you look at that? Just look at it! Would you look at that, mother? Would you look at it, mother? Let's go in. You just gotta look inside of it. You gotta look. Look at that. Would you look at that? Would you look at it, mother?
Don't open that door.
But I want to open it. You get that hand out of my face. Would you look at
Calm
that?
down. I got it. Step back.
Would you look at that?
Step back.
Would you look
Step
at it?
back.
Would you look at it? Mama, would you look? Well, look at that mahogany. Gotta look at that mahogany door.
God.
Yeah. Let's look at it.
You're welcome, Dad.
Let's go look inside. Let's look inside. Let's look at it. God. Whoa! This is such a great house. Would you look at that phone? Oh my God! There's a sink. Would you look at this sink?
Sir? Are you
What?
okay?
What?
You need to calm down.
Dude, I'm all excited for this house. Would you look at that? Would you look at it? Would you look at it?
Fine.
Would you look at it?
I'm looking
Would you
at it.
look at it?
Fine.
Would you look at it?
Sir,
Would you look at it?
Sir.
Okay, let's go
No,
down
come
to
back.
the living room.
No.
Hey,
No. Get out.
what?
Get out.
No,
Get out.
I'm not
Get out.
leaving.
Get
I'm
out.
not getting
Get
out.
out.
You
Get
son
out.
of a gun.
Get out.
You owe me money.
Get out.
You
Get out.
Would you look at it? Would you look at it? Would you look at it?